If you are not a confident person and you're striving to build confidence on yourself, most people think that confidence is something that you're born with. It's not something that you're born with. Confidence is a weapon, and when you learn how to use it, you become dangerously confident and dangerously unstoppable. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 steps. If you're struggling with confidence, you're trying to build your confidence, and that will turn you into ordinary confidence, into dangerous level of self-belief. That type of that makes people stop, stare, and of course wonder what on earth is going on. If you're struggling with confidence, you want to build confidence on yourself, okay? You stop asking for permission. Dangerously confident people do not even think in a second to take a permission. One thing that dangerously confident people do is one thing that differently. They don't wait for approval. They don't wait for permission. Not from friends, even not from, parents, not from society, not even from anyone, to be fair. And if you want to become dangerously confident, you need to master to stop asking for permission. They don't ask. Is this okay? Well, people judge me. You've been asking yourself, will people judge you? What if I fail? The moment that you stop letting others choose what you want in life, you stop living small, and you're striving to build confidence, but you can't because you're asking for permission all the time. You start making decisions with your chest, and even you start walking with purpose. You start moving like someone who knows where they are going. That's the energy alone, to be fair. People fail before you even speak. And I would highly suggest do hard things on purpose. If you want to become dangerously confident, you need to prove not a fake affirmation, not pretend positivity, prove that you can face difficulty and win. Only way to get that proof is simple. Do hard things. Simple. Hard things, easy life. Easy things, hard life. Wake up early. Train when you don't feel like it. Speak up when you are scared. Post the content. You start a project. Take the risk. Every time you do something uncomfortable, you build a recipe. You build a receipt that says, I'm confident. I did something difficult. I survived. I can do it again. Confidence is not about feelings. It's not about feelings. It's evidence. Confidence is evidence. And when you collect enough evidence, you become unstoppable. You need to build self-image so strong that no one can break it. Dangerous confidence comes from one place. How you see yourself when nobody's watching. If your self-image is weak, one comment will break you. If your self-image is strong, 100 comments won't move you. And here's how dangerously confident people build it. They define themselves clearly, and I'm disciplined, I'm valuable, I'm capable, and I'm becoming better every single day. Not because it's true. Right now, it's because they are creating the person they will become. They protect their identity. No negative friends, no toxic voices, no environment that shrink them, and no habit that drain them. They act in the alignment with the identity they want. If your identity is I'm confident and talk when you like it and move when you like it, not somebody tells you to do whatever they want. You train your brain to believe it, and once your brain believes it, the world follows. And I think dangerous confident people aren't ignorant people. It's not allowed, it's not a fake, it's not a fragile. it's just a quite a powerful, earned. And when you master these 3 steps, stop asking for permission. Do hard things every single day. Go to the gym, practice, gratitude, whatever. Do something in your life that builds confidence in yourself. Builds unbreakable, unshakeable image. You stop doubting in yourself, and you stop shrinking, and you stop hiding who you are, who truly you are. You become someone who moves differently, talks differently, and lives differently. You become someone who people can't ignore. You become dangerously confident. And that's it. I mean, these are my 3 confident tips, 3 confident harsh truths, how to become dangerously confident. That's it. Simple.